answers can't be found. I don't worry, I don't wonder. I know what to do. I don't go crazy, I just go for you. Surround me with love, I need you beside me. I want you to hold and hide me when this world is closing in on me. Surround me with love, oh, and I can make it. Whatever comes, you know I can take it. Just as long as you surround me with love. Who can say what comes tomorrow? What the future holds?